Hello, my name is Jerry. I'm here to talk to you guys about a serious problem, arthropod abuse. Every day, millions of arthropods are smashed or killed because other animals are just jerks. There are over 1 million species of arthropods, so you may not recognize one if you are abusing it. Arthropods are the biggest group of animals that there is. Arthropods such as this one, the tarantula, are common. Arthropods are pretty cool, so you should hop on the awesome train to Arthropod Town and be cool too. Segmented worms.
This is your average segmented worm. He has little CT on him that allow him to move. They're bristle-like structures, and he's really slow because of these CT.
If this worm was more adapted, it wouldn't have got ran over by this bike and died.
Yeah!
Ow! 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 Cnidarians.
Okay.
Cnidarians are so unadapted, they have the same opening for a mouth as an anus. That seems pretty unadapted to me. You want to see how cnidarians eat their food? Watch closely. Cnidarians.
Yummy!
Mammals.
Mammals aren't very adapted creatures. Their minds are pretty stupid. They may be the smartest out of all the phylums, but they seem pretty stupid to us compared to arthropods. Mammals can't even eat their own food right. They have weird behavior. And they fall off of things. Echinoderms. Echinoderms are also another phylum that we can talk to you about. Echinoderms are found in water. There are over 6,000 species of echinoderms. Echinoderms with at least 5 arms arranged around a central point are called sea stars. Sea stars look like toys that we could play with. Yeah, this is so much fun. Man, look at this echinoderm.
It's a toy.
Oh. So, I'm an arthropod. I'm into climbing things, molting, and going through metamorphosis. If you meet me in your house or on the ground, I'll show you how to spin a web. The spider who bit me has 8 legs, a cephalothorax, and an abdomen. This spider can and will kill anything. Mammals, amphibians, reptiles, birds. You should get with him because all the other animals are inferior. It's like someone made arthropods awesome and all the other animals less cool. Tarantulas, tarantulas, everybody loves tarantulas. If there's just fuzz where your hamster was, it's probably because of tarantulas. They're so soft, and they're so furry, and they're so cute. If your vision's blurry, don't look now, cause mine got free, and they're crawling up your wall in a big hurry. Tarantulas, tarantulas, everybody loves tarantulas. There's just fuzz where your hamster was, it's probably because of tarantulas. Centipedes are one type of arthropod. Centipedes have many segments on their body, as you can see, and they have lots of legs. Cena means 100, so centipedes have 100 legs. Millipedes are also a type of arthropod. Centipedes are very responsible because they make nests for their eggs, and then they stay with them and keep them warm until they hatch.
Birds.
Birds, like this toucan here, have wings, so they can fly. Flying is pretty cool for birds. But birds also have hollow bones, so if one were to fly into this wind turbine here, it would probably die. Ow.
So, who are you?
I'm Spider-Man.
What phylum are you classified in?
I am an arthropod.
What is an arthropod?
An arthropod? Well, arthropod means jointed foot. Arthropods have appendages that can include legs, antennae, claws, and pincers.
Since you are an arthropod, what are your abilities?
I can climb up walls, I can shoot webs and swing from them, and I have book lungs that allow me to breathe. Sweet air.
That's pretty cool. Alright, Spider-Man, do you have any last words?
Well, since I'm an arthropod, arthropods are pretty cool. And arthropods are advertised everywhere. Everyone loves arthropods. You should love arthropods too. This is Spider-Man climbing up a wall, as both arthropods can do. Arthropods can also shoot webs and swing from them.
Reptiles.
Reptiles lay eggs. As you can see, there is an egg in this nest. Reptiles lay amniotic eggs. Amniotic eggs provide complete environment for the embryo's development. Amniotic eggs contain membranes that protect and cushion the embryo and help it get rid of waste while it develops. It also contains the yolk, which is food for the embryo, and holes, tiny holes called pores in the shell, also allow oxygen and carbon dioxide to be let in and out of the shell. By the time it hatches, this young reptile will look like an adult reptile, but only smaller. Reptiles don't really lay their eggs in the smartest of places, though, and sometimes they might get smashed. Like this. Poor little guy never had a chance. Sponges are another type of animal. Sponges can be as small as a marble, or as big as a compact car. Sponges are sessile, which means that they can't move, much like Seth in this example here. It would probably suck to be a sponge, because you wouldn't be able to move, and you'd have to rely on the water to float your food near to you. Sponges were once classified as plants, but now they're classified as animals, because microscopes improved, and because scientists got smarter. Sponges are so confusing. Why could they be the best? Fish, much like the shark, have gills and need water to breathe and survive. Unlike arthropods, which some species have spiracles in their skin, which are holes that allow air and waste to enter and leave the body. Look at that fish, dying because it doesn't have water anymore.